It is a reaction of global thing. Globally, all markets are up. There is some positive, I would say, environment which has propped up. Maybe there may be some changes in this tariff thing what has been declared. All depends upon President Trump and their administration, because they are also in heavy pressure. There were a lot of protests in US all over the country, and maybe he may relax something that may turn out positive for everyone. So let us see. It is a good beginning. All depends upon now how President Trump unfolds what he has declared as tariff war. Does he roll back? Does he maintain the same status? And parallelly, China, Europe, UK, other leading nations countering the tariff imposed by US. What kind of news comes from that places, even Australia, that will impact the market. So let us see and hope for the best that there is good news from the major countries and developed nations, and let us see. Hope it is a good beginning, and I take it positively because globally investors have suffered heavy losses. So I am sure now independent nations and their respective finance minister will take some appropriate action.
Yeah, last week when Trump announced the tariff on India or other countries also, and this is a new week from last week. So yesterday was terrible, but how will be this upcoming week? I know it's really difficult to imagine anything about market, but what you will say till 3:15 or in this week, what will happen in the Indian
A major thing after the tariff is RBI policy. We are expecting 0.25 rate cut. If the rate cut happens, that is positive for the market because borrowing cost goes down. The borrowing cost going down is positive for revenues and profits of the companies, which the industry has been asking since long. So that will help to boost the growth of the companies and the country.